There's a new update with the Hamster Kombat game. Apart from the daily 5 million we get by solving those combo cards, now we have another 1 million you can claim daily, and the way you do this is by decoding the given words daily by using Morse code. Okay, so today's word is BTC. Okay, we're gonna decode it using Morse code, and to do this, just come over here where you have the tap button, tap on that 3 times. So pam pam pam. Okay, after 3 times this place is gonna change. After this, the next will be to decode the word of the day, and the word is BTC. Okay, I'm gonna give you a few tricks to decoding this. So imagine you want to say the word B, but you are pronouncing it this way: Bob is the man. Okay, that's exactly how you're gonna tap on the screen here. Okay, so let's do that. Bob is the man. Okay, that gets you B on the screen, as you can see. So it is pretty much like saying ba 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 ba. So the Bob, you hold it down and then ba ba ba. Bob is the man. So each word or each sound must be followed by a tap. Okay, so that's B. And T is just ba, a press, like that. And the last word is C. Imagine you want to say the word Coca-Cola. So dash dot dash dot. Okay, so dash dot dash dot. And that's it. You've got your C, and then of course you can see now the code is cracked. You are a real detective. Take your prize. We take our prize, and 1 million is going to be added to our prize up here. Okay, so make sure you pay attention to the words I was saying and the rhythm I was using to decode them. Okay, make sure you follow for more. Tomorrow we're going to decode another one. This brings our biz as I can, signing off for now.